He's a big Frosty, huh? Listen, did you see Frosty yet? Come on. Follow me. Follow me, cutie. Come check out Frosty. We got a slide out here. Come on, Liz. Hi, Frosty.
What's trouble, Daddy? What's trouble?
Listen, what is that? Go check him out.
I'm coming.
You coming too? Bray, show me the tunnel. Show Liz how to go into the tunnel. Yeah. We got a little house out here. Get a shovel.